Hello, welcome again, Jasmine Jassy Garden. Let's talk about cactus plant. How to care for a cactus? Cactus are fascinating plant that belong to the family Cactaceae, which include more than 2000 species. They are native to the America, particularly to arid and desert regions. They have adapted to the survive in harsh environment with low water availability and intense sunlight. One of the most distinctive feature of cacti in their succulent nature. They have thick, fleshy stems that serve as water-strong organs, allowing them to endure long periods of drought. Drought. The stems are usually ribbed or segmented, providing flexibility and the ability to expand and contract as water availability fluctuates. Cactus lack leaves or have reduced leaves or to minimize water loss through transpiration. Instead, they have modified structure called spine. Spine help reduce water loss by providing shade, reducing airflow around the plant. Deterring herbivorous herbivorous. Flowers are often vibrant and showy, blooming for short period of time. They typically have numerous petals and are adopted for pollination by specific pollinators, such as bats, moths, or birds. Many cactus also produce delicious fruits that serve as a fruit source for animal in the desert ecosystem. Cacti are remarkable plants that have evolved unique adaptation to survive in extreme conditions. Their distinct morphology, water storage ability, spine, and beautiful flowers make them iconic symbol of arid landscape worldwide. Type of cactus. There are many different types of cactus, including barrel cactus, blue candle cactus, and mammillaria cactus, caring of cactus sunlight. Cactus need bright direct sunlight to thrive. They are not suited for low light area in the home but can tolerate bright indirect sunlight. Place them near a south or western facing window which provide the most light, but they can do well in the eastern window that gets morning direct sun. Not sure if your space will provide enough light. Consider measuring light to ensure your cactus will receiving enough water. Cacti are broad tolerant plant and don't require frequent watering. The best way to water and cactus in is using the soak and dry method by allowing the soil to dry out completely and then give it through soak to evenly and thoroughly stirred the soil. During the growing season, you may see yourself watering a cactus weekly. If they are smaller containers that are 3 inch in diameter or smaller, or every 2 to 3 weeks. For those in large container, reduce watering, draining the winter months. You can utilize a moisturizer meter to help you properly gauge soil moisture and avoid overwatering. Humidity. Cactus prefer low humidity levels, so it's best to keep them in a dry environment. While placing them in a bathroom or other area with high humidity, as this can cause fungal disease to develop or the soil to remain moist for too long. Temperature. Cactus prefer warm temperature between 60 Fahrenheit to 80 Fahrenheit, means 16 centigrade to 727 centigrade. They can tolerate cooler temperature in the winter but should be kept away from drought and sudden temperature changes. Soil. Cactus well draining soil that is low nutrients. You can use any standard cactus potting mix that is well draining. Cactus are susceptible to root rot if they are planted with a standard potting mix or garden soil which retains moisture and has a higher level of nutrients. Common problems. Symptoms: wrinkles, dry potting mix, cause thirsty plant underwatered. Symptoms: yellowing and mushy leaves, wet potting mix, cause overwatered. Symptoms: bleached spores, cause too much direct sunlight, mostly from moving cactus outdoor without acclimating them. Precautions. While cacti are generally safe to grow in the home, there are a few precautions you should take to ensure the healthy and safety of yourself and other. Spines. Cacti has these sharp spines that can cause injury if it tough or handling improperly. When handling cactus, wear thick glove and use a pair of tongs or plier to move the plant. Children and pets. Uh, Cactus can be dangerous if ingested. To keep them out of the reach of children and pets, injecting the spine or skin across can cause irritation, vomiting, and other symptoms. By following these tips and taking the nursery precautions, you can enjoy the unique beauty of the cactus in your home without any issues. If you like our video, kindly like and subscribe us. Uh, Thanks for watching.